Step into paradise at Evolve back Kabini backwaters, where luxury meets wilderness. From the moment you arrive, magic unfolds, greeted with floral flowers and a warm towel ritual that melts away your journey. Sour specialty coffee, rich aromatic, perfectly brewed, paired with exotic spice snacks. Four passionate guides unveil the thrilling adventure ahead. As night falls, witness mesmerizing tribal dance under the stars, then lose yourself at the infinity pool where moonlight backwaters stretch endlessly before you, creating a symphony of serenity and magic. Sanctuary awaits, a room that defines elegance. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for the room tour and experience Kabini like never before. Thank you for watching.